Hey Eric, I'm after Gene.
Did you switch it?
No.
Oh.
Why do you think I care? All right, is he like Travis Tomonsi?
Yeah.
First three backing up. Wait, from retention you don't. Then
You have to move
from
too.
practice you have to be moving. Moving on first shot.